Now I will read chapter number 16. The name of the chapter is Means of Transport. So every day people travel from one place to another. When we go from school to home or from work to another place, then people used to travel from one place to another. Some people go on holidays. So how do we go from one place to another? There are different ways in which we travel from one place to another. Like when we go to school, we use bus, car, or scooter. Your parents may go to office in a bus or a car. So these are called means of transport. Now we will read some points of the means of transport. So different means of transport we use every day. Like when we travel on land, it is called land transport. When we travel on water, it is called water transport. And when we travel on air, it is called air transport. So you know when what is land transport means: car, bus, scooter. These are the vehicles which we use for land transport. In water, we normally use ship, then boat, which is for water transport. And in air, you also know that is aeroplane and rocket, and many other also vehicles are there in air which we use as a air transport. So mm, there in the next page there are some pictures of air transport and water transport. So you have to draw these pictures in your home. These pictures you have to draw in your home. Some air transport is there like aeroplane, then aeroplane is there, then rocket is there. These are the things of air transport you have to draw in your copy. Then water transport is there like sea, boat, yacht. These are the things you have to draw. Then some people use vehicles which helps us in times of need. An ambulance takes sick people to go to hospital. Firefighters use fire engine to put out fires. So if we are in danger, we can go to police van for help. So many people work to help us to use these vehicles. Driver use buses. তোমরা তো জানো যে ড্রাইভার বাস ইউজ করে, দেন কার অ্যান্ড অটো রিক্সো, then sailors sail ships, and pilots also drive aeroplanes. Bus conductors help drivers. So these are the things which we use every day to go from one place to another. Then parts of vehicles are there. Like a vehicle has many parts. It have two or more wheels. They have seats to seat. Vehicles like cars and buses have windows and doors also. Aeroplanes have wings also. So these are the parts of vehicles you know when we travel from one place to another. Then most important thing of a vehicle is engine. Engine is the most important thing of a vehicle. So engine makes the vehicle to travel from one place to another. Then the next important thing that we read, that is noise and smoke that came from vehicles every day. So smoke, vehicles are very useful to us, like however they also give out smoke like car, bus, scooter. Every vehicles used to give out smoke. This smoke makes our air very dirty and makes our air polluted. So some vehicles like car, bus, trucks, aeroplane also makes a lot of noise also, as well as it makes the air polluted and dirty. Now vehicles like bicycle and cycle and auto rickshaw that we normally use do not give out smoke. So using these cycles or bicycles is very uh, is very useful for us. It is needed that we should use bicycles or rickshaws, because this type of vehicles are not able to give any smoke. They not give out smoke. So you always use bicycle or cycle, but not tractor like buses or trucks or aeroplanes, because they give out mostly smoke, and as well as makes our air dirty. So these are the things of the chapter you have to read in your home carefully. So now there are some exercises of this chapter you have to do in your home, and some question answers are also there. Try to do it in your home carefully.